Hi, welcome to the garden. Merry Christmas. We're out here to pick some greens for dinner tonight. Come on, let's see what we have. With all the greens that we're gonna pick, if you pick 1 or 2 leaves off of each plant, you're gonna have a nice salad or be able to cook with, and the plant will continue to grow. And where most of the bok choy have gone to seed, I still have a pretty nice plant here. I'm gonna take the whole thing. But we just cut that off at the root. We'll clean that up inside. We're gonna leave enough flowers out here for the bees, but these are great. That's gonna make one nice addition to the Christmas dinner. Let's see what else we have. I'm gonna take a sprig or 2 of cilantro. We've got a couple fine beets over here. Clip off some nice beet leaves. We're not going to take the whole thing because I want these to keep growing all winter. But you can go ahead and pick some really nice leaves. Go ahead and select a couple nice leaves off of each plant. We're only taking a few leaves off of each plant, so we're getting a pretty nice little salad going. So our strategy here is the same. We only want to take 1 or 2 leaves off of each plant. That way it'll continue to grow. And I like the colorful. These small colorful leaves are just beautiful. Get a couple of these greens. And if you only take a couple at a time, your plant won't even know that it's been trimmed up. Take a couple of these really nice red ones. And we got enough plants in here that we're going to have a fine harvest. It's just like pruning them up. Once that front went through this morning and it quit raining, it's cooled off quite a bit. It's pretty chilly out here right now. I'm gonna have to cover these up tonight. We're gonna have a string of really cold mornings. But that's gardening for you. Let's check out those root crops. Got a decent sized radish there. I got a couple nice ones. Yeah, those are some nice radishes. The same thing here. We're only harvesting a little at a time. We'll be able to eat off of this well into next year. See if we got any turnips. Oh, here you go. That is wonderful. We'll go ahead and bake these turnips with the butternut squash. I didn't know, but turnips and butternut squash are one of my favorite combinations. Those are beautiful. See if we got another one in here. I'm going to go ahead and let the rest of these get just a little bit bigger. We should have one more good harvest out of that. While I'm over here, I'm going to grab a few spinach leaves. Got a nice little handful of spinach leaves. We just made a quick run around the garden and we filled up our basket. We've been blessed pretty well. And I want to thank you for my Christmas present from you. You stop in from time to time to check up on me, see how the garden's growing. I would never tell another adult how to garden, but this has worked out pretty well for me. You can do this too. I'm just a guy that didn't want to weed anymore. I stumbled upon this deep mulch. I thought folks might be interested. It's Christmas Day, and I'm harvesting fresh out of the garden. Follow my story, I can show you how. And I really do thank you for stopping in from time to time and visiting. Merry Christmas, and until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.